Hello kids, how is it going? Check out my super cool neighborhood. It's so special here. All houses can fly. And this one right here, it's mine. Isn't it awesome? In my house, it's not just me. There's also my mom, my dad, my brother, and my grandma. Yep. Hey! And look at that cloud over there. It seems like it's bringing us a question. Let's read it together. How often do you all do yoga? How often do you all do yoga? Okay, remember that if in the question we have how often, we might need these possible adverbs in the answers, okay? Always, usually, sometimes, hardly ever, and never, okay? So let's answer. I do yoga like always. Yes, always. Every single day before going to school. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturdays and on Sundays. Yes, as well. I love it. Let's see. My mom, she usually does yoga 4-5 times a week. Yes, it depends. Between 4 and 5. So she usually does yoga. Okay? Yes, not every day. Let's see. On Mondays, on Wednesdays, on Thursdays, and sometimes on Fridays. Can you see? So 4 times a week. Then my brother does yoga sometimes. Yes? Maybe 3 times a week. Yes. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Yes, he does yoga. My dad hardly ever does yoga. Maybe just once a week. Hardly ever. He doesn't like it. And my grandma, yes, she used to do a lot of sport and yoga in the past when she was younger. But now she's much older, so she doesn't do any yoga. She never does yoga. Never. Hey! Look what's happening. The windows are just lighting up. I love it. I guess that someone is enjoying our answers. And whoa, look at that car with another question. This time he's saying, how often do you read books? How often do you read books, remember? Okay, not just me now, but the whole family. My grandma, she is the one who always reads books. She reads books every single day, from Monday to Sunday. Yes. All right. Hey, look at that word always. Is escaping. Come back here. Okay. Living in this neighborhood where everything flies can be a little bit tricky. Always stay there. Next, my mom reads a lot as well. She usually reads again 4 or 5 times a week. Yeah, when she goes by train, after work. All right. Oh, look at usually. Isn't written like that. Those letters are not okay. Let's rearrange them. U, S, U, A, double L, Y. U, S, U, A, double L, Y. My dad and my brother sometimes read. Yes, sometimes read. My brother reads much more in school, but at home, yeah, not that much, okay? Hey, and look at the word sometimes. It's trying to split. No, you both stay together. Sometimes it's just one word. Okay, and what else? Oh, myself. Right now I'm not reading that much. I love reading, but right now I'm doing more sport. So right now, if I have to be honest, I hardly ever read books. Yes. Hey, look at this. Again, we got more lights for the windows. Yes, it looks fantastic.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, let's keep learning together adverbs of frequency. Today we're going to do the second activity. Hey, but what's going on in here? Explanation, fill out the thermometer. We have the adverbs of frequency in here and we just need to put them properly. See that the colors are trying to indicate us how often, right? The green color is like 100% and the red color is not at all, 0, right? So let's start writing. I'm going to use the black marker and fill out these beautiful squares. So the first one, let me just write 100%, is always. So I'm going to write ALWAYS, always. Then let me go for, yes, the next one is 85% and it's usually. USUALLY, usually. Then let's go for 50% of the time and that is sometimes, SOMETIMES. Then 30%, I will write it here. 30%, hardly ever, remember? So we write HARDLY, and finally 0%, we write never. Great, we have it. So now let's read the instruction of the second activity. Find the adverbs of frequency in the following text. Okay, we need to find them. So I'm going to take this green marker and I'll use the smallest tip. So let's read together. Hannah, the name of a girl, I guess. Anna usually is one, usually wakes up, and usually is the 85% of the time. Hannah usually wakes up early in the morning. She always, here there's another one. She always makes her bed first thing. Good job. Sometimes, just sometimes, half time, right? 50% of the time. She reads a book before breakfast. However, she hardly ever, great, here we have it. She hardly ever forgets to feed her dog. Her dog never leaves her side. That's nice. She has a dog and she almost always feeds her, right? Beautiful. Look, Hannah, her dog, and she's feeding her. So, good job. We found usually, always, hardly ever, and never. Remember that always is 100% of the time. Usually is 88, 85. Sometimes it's half time. Hardly ever is 30% of the times, and never is not at all. But now what we're going to do is, if you want, you can paint with colors this beautiful painting. I'm just going to use the green marker I was already using to color the leaves of these plants in here that I can see. I think that their house is full of plants, right? Nice. And here there are some more. Great. Now let me see. I'm going to use this marker to paint Hannah's t-shirt. But you can use the colors you want. I'm using orange, but if you prefer to use I don't know, like pink, purple, whatever color you like better, go for it. I paint the t-shirt, and then I'm going to paint her shorts, like jean shorts. She's wearing jean shorts. Great. I think that I'll go for black for the dog. Yes, I'm going to paint the dog like fully black. Yes, because it's a big dog. It's a big dog. And I know a neighbor who has got a very similar dog, like black and strong and big. He really reminds me to the one in the picture. So I paint it like this. Great. Amazing, beautiful. Beautiful. And you can paint it with spots. Yes, I'm going to do like this. Look, it's like almost everything black, but just there's a white spot on his face, right? And then you can keep painting again the way you want, right? I'm going to paint with the pink marker her shoes and even the window frames. Great. Just like that. Good job. Very good. And you can paint everything, right? Enjoy the painting.